Have you ever had one of those moments where everything hits you at once? Emails piling up, IMs coming at you, the kids need you, you have a mile-long to-do list, and suddenly your body goes into panic mode. It feels like you're actually drowning with to-dos. I experienced this a few days ago, and I wanted to share how I overcame it. I usually keep my head above water at work, but today it all felt like too much. Instant messages from multiple people, an inbox that was getting out of control. I had so many open tasks, and it happened. The overwhelm kicked in. It was a physical feeling in my body. There was anxiety and panic. Do you ever get this feeling when you have more to do than time to do it? I handle this overwhelm now much better than I used to. I used to let it run free and consume my day and energy. It used to actually fuel me to work more. That was not a healthy habit. Now, I use the same 3-step brain-based framework that I teach my clients. And within minutes, my body settles and my mind is cleared and empowered. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I move from overwhelm to calm so that you can use this anytime life feels like it's too much. Step 1 is to love your brain. Before trying to fix anything, identify what is happening in your brain and validate it. I literally said to myself, this feeling in my body is my brain reacting to stress. Of course I feel alarmed. I have a lot going on. And here's the amazing part. Just by saying, of course I feel this way, immediately my panic began to soften. This feeling is real. It's valid. But most importantly, this feeling is temporary. And that is how amazing your brain is. Step 2 is to optimize your brain. Your brain is a physical organ, and its physical health affects how you respond emotionally. So I get curious. I ask myself, did I sleep well? Is my body under extra stress? And then I remembered, I had a rough night's sleep from my pups. And I was about to start my period. PMS is a real thing and it impacts our brains. That awareness alone helped me calm down even more. And then I took a compassionate action. Your brain is a physical organ and responds to physical things. I took a deep breath, longer exhale than inhale, sending a signal to my brain that I am safe. At this point, my nervous system was pretty much settled. But I moved on to step 3 to bring it home. Step 3 is to empower your thoughts. This is where I replaced the automatic thought that I can't do all of this with my favorite phrase, I can do hard things. Yes, life is hard, work is hard, motherhood is hard, marriage is hard, and yet you do hard things every single day. You can do hard things. In real life, this took less than a minute. And here's kind of what it looked like. I saw my to-do list, my unread emails, my multiple IMs, panic showed up. I said, this is overwhelm. Of course I feel this way. Then I remembered I didn't sleep well and I'm PMSing. I took one deep breath and I told myself, I can do hard things. That's it. I moved on, calm, grounded, and empowered because I know that I can do hard things. This formula is how I get through mom life, a full-time accounting career, leading a mental health ministry, and building a brain health coaching business. It works for me, and it works for the moms I coach. If you want to practice this with me, I host a free quarterly workshop where you can bring a real challenge and get coached through this formula. The link is below. I would love to support you. Now, if your overwhelm feels like your constant state, and not something that comes and goes, I encourage you to watch my video, How Are You Training Your Brain? Because when feelings don't fade, it's time to look at your habits and biology, because that's what's shaping your brain. Remember, you can do hard things and loving your brain will make it easier.